All right, here comes question 13 on the Unit 1 example question set. I am Mr. Kingsbury, and I'm going to be walking you through these two amazing problems. Number 13, given this function, f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 4 plus 11, describe the changes to the graph of the parent function. So if we can identify what the a, the c, and the d values are, then we can interpret what has happened and how it's been translated. Or transformed, excuse me. So what's my a value? Well, there's nothing in front of the bar, so we don't have to worry about a. My c value is the one inside the bar. It looks like a -4. But remember, the nature of the c value is that whatever it looks like, it's actually the opposite sign of that. So even though it looks like -4, the c value is actually +4. And then my d value will be 11. So we'll need to interpret those. C handles left and right. A positive value means we're going right, so this is going to be right 4. And then D handles up and down. A positive value will be up, so this is going to be up 11. It is just that easy. I know, crazy, right? Number 14 is very similar. Given this function, f of x equals negative absolute value of x plus 10 plus 6. Describe the changes to the graph of the absolute value parent function. So, in order to do that, I need to know what A, C, and D are. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to explain this one piece to you, but we'll see what I can do. Let's start here. The 6 is the D value, so D is 6. The C value looks like it would be positive 10, but remember, when interpreting the C value that's in the equation, we have to change the sign, so it's really going to be negative 10. And then lastly, we have this negative sign that doesn't seem to be attached to anything. I would put a 1 there, because you can multiply by 1 and not change anything. And this gives the negative something to attach onto. So that's awfully nice. We'll make the A -1. So what do all these things mean? Well, let's see. D, as we mentioned, is up and down. Positive value is up. So this would be up 6. C controls left and right. A negative C value means we're going to the left. And we'll be going 10 units. And then lastly, we have A. An A value of 1 means nothing has happened. A value controls compression, and stretch. And an A value of 1 means you've neither compressed nor stretched. It's just stayed the same. But the only thing of importance here is this negative, which tells us that this was reflected over the x-axis. And I feel... Well, yeah. Anyway, I'm not sure what I was going to say there. Reflected over the x-axis. There you go. And we're done.